Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this video. Guys, today in this video I'll let you know is Cranehast.com legit, and in this video I'll also help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. And the citizens of United States are curious to know about the legitimacy of this particular site. Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this particular site, guys, and it is an online shopping store, or you can say site, that claims to sell disposable items including straws, and you can see 20 pieces foil gold stripe wave disposable straws for various occasions including wedding, birthday, etc, etc. And the prices of these offerings are too good to be true. These straws are available in different colors as well. Now guys, talking about the payment infos, the only mode of payment which is available on the site is PayPal. You can take a look at the bottom of the web page. And coming to the shipping policy of the site, let's check out the shipping policy. So you can see the standard shipping duration will be 2 to 5 business days. So this was the shipping info, guys. Now before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or legit website. So guys, the site is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a positive sign. But when it comes to the domain information of a particular site, it's still very important to check out the domain age before making any decision or before making any online purchase. So in the context of this, Cranehast website's domain age, it was created on 4th of March 2021. It simply means that the site is 11 days old, guys. This is a new domain. This is a newly launched website, and this is registered for 1 year only. So this factor is not applicable to define its legitimacy, and we can't claim this site legit on the basis of its domain age. So let's explore the entire information to know more about the truth about this website. This is the our story page, or you can say about this information of this particular site, but you can see brand connection info, business owner name, business establishment year information is missing here, and apart from that the content which is written on the web page is not professionally managed. You can see instead of telephone number they have mentioned a name of a person, which is not a good sign, and no information is available as well. So this is a negative sign, so we can't trust on this website easily. Now let's check out the contact details of this website, because we know contact details plays a crucial role in defining a particular website legitimacy. So in the context of the Cranehast contact details, guys, they have provided the entire details including contact number, contact person name, and official address or email address. But guys, we would like to inform you that these details seems to be fake, as we have found a residential address on the particular given address, which is a negative sign. We are not able to find a particular store on this address. That makes the site quite suspicious. However, the email which is given on the web page matches with the domain name, which is a good sign, guys. And you can also connect with them via query form by sending your name, email address, and comment or query, and you need to send your message as well. Now coming to the social media existence, guys, the site has no social media presence at all, which is a red high alert. No social media icon is available on the website, so this simply makes the site quite suspicious. Now in the context of return policy, let's take a look at the return policy of the site. So in the shipping or return policy section, they have provided the return policy. Here is the return policy, and they have mentioned 14 days of return policy. So guys, do comment about your experience regarding return or refund of the product. And when it comes to the Cranehast.com reviews, so no reviews are available of this about the site on the internet and on the official website as well. So guys, it simply means that the domain name is new and the site is not much popular online. Apart from that, the trust index score of the site is too low, which is very bad, and this also makes the site quite suspicious. And guys, the site has low traffic as well. So these are the loopholes that makes a confusion regarding the legitimacy of this particular site, and based on these loopholes we can say the site appears to be a scam website, guys. So you should stay away from such type of scam sites. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you for giving your precious time. Have a good day.